Yoshida Udon is a traditional noodle dish from Fujiyoshida city, located at the foot of Mount Fuji. It is famous for its thick, firm, and incredibly chewy noodles, making it one of Japan's most unique regional dishes. Yoshida Udon is made with Mount Fuji spring water, high-protein flour, and a traditional kneading method. These simple ingredients create its signature chewy texture. Now let's start making your own handmade Yoshida Udon. 150 grain bread flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 70 ml to water. Spread your fingers wide and mix gently. Gather the flour together until a rough dough forms. Press firmly using the palm of your hand. Use your body weight to knead the dough until it becomes smooth. Dust the board lightly with cornstarch. Place the dough in the center and roll it out evenly with a rolling pin. Use chopsticks as a thickness guide. Add more cornstarch if the dough starts sticking. Fold the dough carefully before cutting. Cut into thick noodles using the width of a chopstick as your guide. The noodles are cooked for you to achieve the perfect chewy texture. Please relax while we prepare your meal. Suridane is Yamanashi's traditional chili seasoning. Add as much as you like to create your perfect bowl. Enjoy your handmade Yoshida Udon.